Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today let's create a summer makeup look using these oval brush set which I recently spotted on Amazon. It's a brush set of 9 and this is the largest brush from the set. It's got quite a big head. I don't know what purpose it serves but it's quite huge. The next brush that I have is also of a larger size, which I would not prefer, but let's see. This is the medium sized brush, which is the third brush from the set, and this is the fourth brush, which also is a good size, which would work really well for our face. Next, other brushes are pretty small in size and they also serve some purpose or the other for our makeup, which we will see in this video later. So let's start with the brush. This is the largest brush. The bristles are pretty soft, fine quality one. They do not look like harsh ones, but let's see what they do for the makeup. Starting with preparing my skin, I'm using the medium sized third brush to blend in the moisturizer into my skin, which it did really well. It blended the moisturizer and provided me with the soft skin for my makeup to glide on, and I was pretty happy with the kind of result it has given me. Next, I will be using a primer. This is Sugar's primer, matte primer, and I will be blending it again with the same medium sized brush with which I have blended the moisturizer. It also blended the primer really well, and it has given me quite a smooth base for the foundation. The foundation today I'm using is the My Glam Super Serum foundation, which has got an SPF of 30, so that is the reason I have chosen this, because this is a day makeup. Dotting it all over my face and neck and using the largest brush, I am just blending in the foundation, but I didn't really find it very convenient, so I just left that and used the third brush with which I have blended the primer and moisturizer. And like I had assumed, this medium sized brush is really well for the face and neck for the face products. So you can see this is not really giving me a blended kind of look. Then again, I have used the same foundation as concealer like I always do, and I have chosen this smaller size brush for my concealer blending, and it also didn't really serve the purpose well like our round brushes does. राउंड ब्रशेस की तरह ये बिल्कुल भी ब्लेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं. दे आर लीविंग बिहाइंड द पैचेस एंड ब्रिजल मार्क्स ऑन द स्किन. सो आई वॉजेंट रियली हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट. द फाउंडेशन एंड कंसीलर बिल्कुल भी अच्छे ब्लेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, वेयर एज द मॉइस्चराइजर एंड प्राइमर दे डिड वेल विथ. So you can see I have used a beauty blender here to just balance out the flaws that the brushes have left. I am using extra foundation to just cover up that area which brushes have left behind, and still I wasn't really happy with the result. Like brushes had done the damage and I could not really fix this. Next, these two brushes are a total waste in this brush set. Next, I am taking my PAC powder round brush to set in that base and concealer with the Super Serum Compact of My Glam. Like I said, round brushes की बात आती ही नहीं है. The oval brushes are totally waste and worthless in front of round brushes. So you can see how convenient we are with our own round brushes. I just ordered it to test it out, but it was really a horrible experience. I would not recommend oval brushes to anyone. So this is the finest, sleek, smallest brush. I found it and thought of using it for eyebrows, as uska shape eyebrow की तरह ही लग रहा था, and to my surprise it did well on eyebrows. Like I said, uska shape बिल्कुल eyebrow की तरह है, तो in just one single swipe you'll get that sharp razor sharp brows like you can see here. So that's it. Eyebrows jaldi ban gaye the, and the brush was really a good one. This is the round brush I found in the set, which I thought of using for eye makeup, and to my surprise it did well. Shaped up my crease but could not blend in my eyeshadow, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत ज़्यादा sharp look दे रहा था, which I wasn't really much happier with. but still I managed to like blend it in and apply this bronze shade on my lid. So you can see this is the eye makeup that had turned out. You can see the sharp edges of the crease, which wasn't really fine. Then I used it again on my other eye and it was even worse. बिल्कुल भी blend नहीं हो रहा है. Then I switched on to my pack blending brush, which came as a savior and just corrected my eye makeup at the right time. So you can see the result of a round brush and a oval brush. Next, this is again one more brush I found in the brush set, which I thought of using it for a contour because it was a bit larger than the eyebrow brush. It drawed like good fine lines across the contouring areas. So if you are someone who prefer very sleek contour, very sharp contour, then this one is for you. But I would not prefer this for myself because बहुत ही sharp lines ये दे रहा था, which would be difficult to blend. And also it won't give like a natural kind of contour. Usually I don't prefer contour, but still I tried it. And this is the brush that I had used for concealer. The small tiny brush which I thought would blend in the contour well in giving me a shape to my face, but I wasn't really happy with the way it had blended the powder products or the contour product. कोई shape नहीं, कोई blend नहीं, nothing. I wasn't really much impressed with this brush as well. And this is the result of it. The blending is not too very satisfactory like the other rest of the brushes. So using the blush brush with that medium brush with which I have blended the moisturizer and the primer. First तो ये pick up ही नहीं कर रहा था color, the shade, it wasn't picking up and depositing on my cheeks. Then again I started थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मैंने pressure लगाया and it did picked up the brush well. Then again it like एक sharp line की तरह इसने deposit कर दिया था blush को. No blending at all, like एक ओवल ब्रश जैसे देता है, सॉरी एक राउंड ब्रश जैसी ब्लेंडिंग देता है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. एक शार्प एज काइंड ऑफ रफ लाइन दे दिया था इसने, विच वॉजंट रियली द काइंड ऑफ मेकअप एनी वन वुड प्रिफर. एंड नोज़ भी बिल्कुल भी बिगाड़ दी थी इसने. सो this was not a very good experience. This is my complete makeup look. Somehow I completed the makeup look and this is how it looks. I will provide the link of these makeup brushes in the description box. You can also have a look, but I would never recommend these brushes. इसने बिल्कुल भी blending अच्छे से नहीं की है anywhere. No makeup, foundation or concealer, nothing. No, not recommended at all. And thanks for watching. Bye.